February 6th. These are the trades I took today. Only two trades. As you can see, I'm on sim because past my account. Gotta wait for the 7th day, which is today. So let's watch. Plan was to watch hold above here, break above high. Right now we hold this range low from yesterday and an inside day high. Broke it, fail back down, and then we're failing the inside the high. So per rule is if we failed it, if you break inside the high and no continuation, probably gonna fade it back towards the other side. And yeah, that's the plan. So right now I'm like more short bias. I'm watching this 25 here real soon. Somewhere around here for potential reoffer. So I'll come back in. 24, some buying, selling. Nothing much. Nothing much going on there. Skip a little bit if I can. Going back up now. Watch that 24, 25. Okay, some buying coming in. Right. Pretty slow, but like the buyer and sellers there auctioning. Just keep failing the 24, 25. VWAP is right above as well, so watching for a quick sweep possible, and then here we drop. And now buying come back in, we push all the way back down strong, buyers held it. Okay, some buying coming in. Look at the volume now. Buying 24, 25. Some still watching for a sweep of this guy. Bunch of volume coming in there. 24, 25. Seller stepped in. Want to see a sweep above this 25. This trade I entered too early. Buy there still. Nice little slip. Then I entered right here. Yeah, too early this thing. Same thing as yesterday. Same mistake. Entering too early. Now we broke above it. Now we sweep because that slip there, we didn't even break 26, 25. Now we sweep it. Okay, it's fine. About to take another setup here. Bunch of buy coming in at a high after we break the 25, potentially trapping them. See what happened. 31, some selling. Took it a little bit too low. Could have waited for a retest. Look, as soon as I take it, went against me. Could have taken the retest, which is about to give me on this retest here. Yeah, potentially trap is 31. Buying come back in again. Still reoffering these. Now coming back in. Broke the high by one tick. Bunch of buying coming in with volume. Could have short on this retest here, right? Yeah, I lost confidence in this trade because that pushed down. I shorted there. You can see I moved my stop loss down as well. Yeah, you're just talking about how bad the trade is, but it worked out right. I just gotta trust myself and just have to have a better execution because I think my execution is very poor. Could have waited for that retest to short. And this thing did eventually break a couple points, 10 points. Pushing back up now again. I want to see a higher low. Buying coming in. Yeah, ES is also testing the inside day high right now. ES been weak the morning. Right now they're testing the inside day high. Buying coming in again. Volume reoffer right there. Pull back a little bit. See, rewind a little bit. Buying coming in. 31. Buying coming in. All these buying. Seller instantly took control over it. Could have short somewhere around here. 28. It's fine. Now we're testing it again. Every time we test it, seller just come with the offer. Every time we push back up from buying, seller just come in with the offer. And here I would like to show something. So on ES, at that time 946, ES was testing the inside day high finally, and then looks like we swept and can't close above it. So made me like this trade, and then also how if I can show my setup here on, yeah, right here. So the offer was here around this, let's just mark it 25, 50, right? Want to see a sweep above it. The first time we didn't sweep, and this time we broke above it. Look at this strong buy here. It's 115 to 23 buy, and then we pushed down and shorted. But this time, come test it multiple time, push up, like a buying, and then as soon as we did this here, we offered, and ES failed, and which made it really nice for a short. And the trade just keep working out. First scale, I want to be at VPOC 97, 94. That's why I have my limit order there. Only taking 6 today. 97.5. Took a couple off. Then next scale is, I think, around right before overnight low, on this nice little ledge here. Nice little volume curve there. Took half off there, and then I think I took 1 off here. You'll see the scale soon, but yeah, I took 1 off somewhere around here before overnight low break. And then just holding my runner nicely. Trying to hold my runner. The next scale is around 6:30-ish. Yeah, I want to scale here, but I'm like, okay, never mind. It's either this 3740 is a nice scale. I got another scale there, 37 to 40. That's the value area low from yesterday. And then the last one was basically just holding it for my, yeah, these are the scales. Scale half here, another one here, another one here. Last one I'm holding for 610. And this thing did come back to 610 and bounce. Didn't cut it. I wanted it lower because the EV is high to the downside. We tested it multiple times. This thing did eventually come back, retest, but I was still holding it. Took another short here, somewhere here. Could have took a short at the high, to be honest. Took out the low. This thing did keep selling off. Got another one off, 120 point at the end. Yeah, 120 point scale. So it's pretty good. 120 point scale. And then the last one, I just let it cut on me. didn't like how the buying just keep coming in. Hold this time again. I think I just cut it here. Yeah, I just cut it here. Last one for a small little break even or a loss. It's fine, right? Who cares? So definitely a nice trade there. But yeah, those were the setup for today. I would say the bad thing about today was the same thing. First trade, didn't see the sweep. Setup was there, didn't see the sweep. Enter too early. Impulse decision, impulse trade. And then the second one, we break, see the high, and then I just see the high with buying. I just took a short without waiting a retest. So second trade, what I did wrong was kind of uncertain. Didn't wait for the retest because this thing could have just keep like Sean buying came in and it pushed higher, right? So too early again, right? Uncertain. Maybe there was a setup there. Maybe there's not. Maybe there's absorption. Maybe there's not. Best to wait for a retest when there's no setup. So too early entry. Didn't wait for the retest. Late entry. No, not late entry. So too early. Didn't wait for a retest. And then I moved my stop down, which is what I did yesterday. I moved my stop down again yesterday, which is bad. Shouldn't be moving my stop loss down. Which I did, and it was like what 3 ticks away from stopping me out. Yeah, could have waited for the retest for a short, but I didn't. It's fun. Didn't wait for my retest to short. And then yeah, good scale, good hold. The context was very clear. Could have waited for the ES for a fail at the inside day high, and then could have waited for the retest. Yeah, those are the trade.